Have you ever wondered how millions of bananas journey from farm to factory and eventually to your table? Today we'll explore the fascinating process of banana harvesting and processing, highlighting the innovative cableway technology that makes this incredible journey efficient and effective. Modern banana plantations often use tissue culture techniques to propagate new plants. This involves growing banana plants from small tissue samples in a lab. Tissue culture helps in producing disease-free plants and maintaining consistency in the quality of bananas. These techniques allow for the rapid production of healthy plants, leading to more robust and productive banana crops. Innovative planting methods, such as raised beds and precision farming, enhance banana cultivation. These methods improve soil drainage, reduce waterlogging, and optimize the use of resources. Techniques like drip irrigation and soil conditioning help maintain the health of banana plants and maximize their productivity. Ongoing research in banana cultivation focuses on developing new varieties that are more resistant to diseases and pests. Researchers work to improve the yield, taste, and shelf life of bananas through breeding programs. Different varieties of bananas are cultivated to meet market demands and environmental conditions, ensuring a diverse and stable supply of bananas. Biosecurity measures are crucial in preventing the introduction and spread of pests and diseases. Farms implement strict protocols too. The journey begins in vast banana plantations, where skilled workers handpick ripe bananas. Each bunch is carefully selected to ensure only the highest quality fruit is harvested. Farms monitor and manage biosecurity risks to protect their crops. Crop protection strategies, including the use of organic pesticides and integrated pest management, help safeguard banana plants from harmful insects and diseases. Workers use sharp machetes to cut the banana stems. They expertly slice through the thick stalks, releasing the heavy bunches. To prevent bruising, these bunches are gently lowered onto cushioned pads. This careful handling is crucial, as bruised bananas can spoil quickly and reduce the overall quality of the harvest. The workers are highly trained and work efficiently to cover large areas of the plantation. They move from plant to plant, making sure they only harvest the bananas that are perfectly ripe. This selective harvesting ensures that the bananas are at their peak flavor and texture. Once harvested, the banana bunches are gathered and prepared for transportation. Once the bananas are harvested, they need to be transported from the fields to the processing plant. This is where cableway technology makes a big difference. Cableway systems use overhead cables to move the bananas quickly and efficiently. Special carriers, or gondolas, are attached to these cables. Each carrier holds a bunch of bananas securely as it travels along the cables. The banana bunches are carefully hooked onto these carriers. The cableway system glides smoothly, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing the risk of damage to the bananas. This method is much faster than traditional transport methods and helps keep the bananas in excellent condition. The cableway technology not only speeds up the transportation process, but also helps preserve the quality of the fruit. By moving the bananas gently and efficiently, it ensures they arrive at the processing plant fresh and ready for the next stages of processing. When the bananas reach the processing plant, they are unloaded from the cableway carriers and carefully inspected. This step is crucial to ensure that only the best quality bananas continue through the processing line. The bananas are placed on a conveyor belt, where workers examine them for any signs of damage or overripeness. Any bananas that are damaged or overripe are removed and discarded. This helps maintain the high quality of the fruit that will be processed further. After inspection, the bananas are thoroughly washed. This washing process removes any dirt, pesticides, or residues that may have come from the fields. It's an important step to ensure the bananas are clean and ready for the next stages of processing. Following their initial cleaning, the bananas are sorted based on size, ripeness, and quality. This sorting process often involves automated machines that help speed up the task and ensure consistency. The bananas move through sorting machines that use various sensors and mechanisms to classify them. The sorted bananas are then grouped into different categories, ensuring that only those meeting specific standards proceed to packaging. Once sorted, the bananas are carefully packed into boxes or crates. Packing is done with precision to protect the bananas during transport and storage. Each box is packed to optimize space and ensure the bananas remain in good condition until they reach their destination. The packaging also includes labeling to provide information on the quality, origin, and best before dates. This helps retailers and consumers know more about the product they are purchasing. Before the bananas are shipped out, they go through a final quality control check. This step ensures that every box of bananas meets the strict quality standards set by the processing plant. Quality control teams inspect the packed boxes for any defects or inconsistencies. They check for proper labeling, box integrity, and the overall appearance of the bananas. Any boxes that do not meet the quality standards are removed from the shipment. Once approved, the bananas are loaded onto trucks or shipping containers for distribution. The transportation is carefully managed to maintain the freshness of the bananas. Temperature controls are often used to ensure the bananas remain in optimal condition during their journey to markets and stores. The bananas are then delivered to their final destinations, ready to be enjoyed by consumers. The efficient processing and careful handling ensure that the bananas reach you fresh and in perfect condition. Effective disease management practices are essential for maintaining healthy banana crops. This includes regular monitoring for symptoms of diseases like Panama disease and black sigatoka. Farms use a combination of resistant varieties, proper sanitation, and timely interventions to manage and control diseases that could impact banana production. To reduce dependency on a single market, banana producers explore market diversification strategies. This includes targeting different geographical regions and developing value-added products like banana chips and puree. Diversification helps in stabilizing income and expanding market reach, making banana production more resilient to market fluctuations. The journey of a banana from the farm to your table is a remarkable process that showcases modern agricultural practices and technology. From the skilled harvesting in the fields to the innovative cableway technology used for transportation, each step is designed to ensure the bananas are handled with care and efficiency. The careful processing and quality control measures further guarantee that only the best bananas reach consumers. Thanks to these advanced methods, we can enjoy fresh, high-quality bananas year-round. If you found this behind-the-scenes look at banana harvesting and processing fascinating, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more interesting insights into the world of food production and technology. Stay tuned for more amazing content.